Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to validate a market on Hilomarket. First, from the Hilomarket main page, you can use filters to display all markets that are eligible for validation either in the prediction or locked phases. If you see a market that's ready for validation but hasn't been validated yet, simply open it. Click Validate. Choose the correct option and confirm your selection. Once you propose a validation, a countdown period begins where others can challenge your proposal. We'll cover that in the next video. Once the market is settled, you can claim your reward for correct validation, or directly from your dashboard. You can also check the market's history to review all past events for that market. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.